Introducing the Konecranes Heavy Duty Tyre Handler, another innovative product exclusively available from United Forklift and Access Solutions. Whether assisting maintenance crews on mine sites or stacking tyres in the yards, the Konecranes Tyre Handler provides tyre handling solutions for mining, port and intermodal applications. This purpose-built 32-ton forklift with a tyre handling attachment makes light work of lifting, rotating and shifting up to 16-ton tyres. The lift truck includes Konecranes Optima cabin, which delivers enhanced spaciousness and visibility for the operator. It comes equipped with the latest technology to boost productivity, safety and overall performance. This includes an interlock system which prevents movement and operation of the mast if the operator hasn't sat on the seat, applied the seat belt and closed the door. Other features include a 7-inch touchscreen, which provides full monitoring of all the forklift's vital components and functions. The touchscreen provides useful information to the operator, like tyre pressure monitoring, as well as tipping angle warning messages to boost safety. Safety on the lift truck has been further enhanced with customized optional features to suit mine site conditions. These optional features include fire and burst protection for hoses, electronic weight scales, auto engine shutdown, auto park brake function, central greasing, isolator switches and raised intakes. These customized features help boost safety and improve overall performance of the lift truck. The TrueConnect Premium Plus Fleet Management System is also an innovative feature available on the lift truck. It provides businesses with a dedicated fleet management solution to monitor the real-time usage of the lift truck remotely. For all your tyre handling solutions, please contact United Forklift and Access Solutions today. For more information, visit unitedequipment.com.au.